looks like a little torn up, I'm sure, from doing the dye when they did it. I'd almost rather show you on a good cat if you're going to videotape it. Okay, well, let's go over there, because theirs is pretty decent. Because this one is pretty torn up. Yeah, let's go and show it on different. You're not even going to be able to see anything with all the dye. I can go over just quick. Chin muscles, you're going to have the digastric, which is this little V right here. So running along the jawline. And then in between there, you can see the fibers running this way. It makes like a little triangle almost. That's the mylohyoid. And on the practical, if there's a pin through a little tear in the mylohyoid, it's going to be the geniohyoid, because the geniohyoid is actually underneath the mylohyoid, but we can't pull up the mylohyoid completely. So, practical, there's a pin through a hole, geniohyoid. There's a pin anywhere on the mylohyoid, not in the hole, it's the mylohyoid. Okay, and then you have the masseter, which is the cheek muscle right there. You can see it. That's the muscle when you clench your jaw. You can see it. There's going to be one on the head, which you guys probably haven't done yet, but it's the temporalis. Don't miss it. It's the only pin going to be on the head. I'd rather show you on a better cat for the neck muscle, so, because you can't see anything. Just going to chop all this off. Trying. Okay, so first thing you need to know is 3 landmarks. 3 landmarks, okay? So you're going to have the sternum, the thyroid, and the hyoid bone. If you can know those 3, you'll be set. So the first 2 muscles I'm going to go over are the first 2 laying right on top of the trachea. And they run from the sternum up to the hyoid bone. Those are going to be the sternohyoid. So origin sternum, insertion hyoid. Then along the sides, so you pull that over just a little bit, and you're going to find another neck muscle right here. That's running from the sternum up to the thyroid area. So it's going to be the sternothyroid. And then right where that one ends, I'll show you with all this dye here. So the sternothyroid, right where that ends, another one picks up. And it's running from here to there. So from the thyroid to the hyoid. So you have this thyrohyoid. If you split those in the middle, you're going to see a little tiny muscle that just sits right here. You can barely tell it's a muscle. You can just kind of see the coloration of it. That's the cricothyroid. It gets that name because it's near the thyroid, and the little rings in the trachea are called the cricocartilage. That's what keeps your trachea from collapsing. So it's right in that area, the cricothyroid. Then you're going to move to the chin. The whole muscle here along the jawline is called the digastric. The muscle with the fibers running this way, right through there, that's the mylohyoid. And on the practical, there's a pin through a hole in the mylohyoid. It's going to be called the geniohyoid, because underneath the mylohyoid is another muscle, but we can't really show it. So